Room 218 at the Aspens Whistler on the west side.
Yeah.
Nice big kitchenette, full-size fridge, little stove and microwave.
See, there is a fridge.
Dining table,
But there's no
some
rice
Whistler
cooker.
art, fireplace, TV,
Mommy, see, there's already
pull-out
some.
couch, and a little lounger. Here you can see we've got a little deck looking out towards the forest, and we just saw a bear when we were walking here.
Mommy, I want my art.
Skis on the wall. A little closet with
No, we're gonna eat
some snow gear.
first.
Bathroom, pretty standard bathroom. A little bit old looking, but will do the trick.
Ella.
And a really big master bedroom with a, looks like a king size bed. Plenty of storage, especially since we're only here 2 nights. And looks like a fan as well, so I'm guessing there's no AC. But overall, quite a big place. And maybe a 15-minute walk from the center village. So not too bad. If we were skiing, it would be even more convenient, but not skiing today.